Everyone's going to pour condensed milk on sliced bread. This is perfect for your Christmas celebration. In a container, place sliced bread. Then pour condensed milk on top. After that, let's take it to the fridge for about 10 minutes. After this time, it will look like this. The bread will have absorbed a lot of condensed milk. Now let's take our slices and put them in our air fryer. Once done, set it to 160 degrees and leave it for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. And this is the perfect result. Now just remove them and roll in cinnamon sugar, but this step is optional. Once finished, look how incredible this recipe turns out. It's much better than traditional French toast. Make this at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care. See you next time and thanks.